breathing? Scary.
All right, it's Embarkation Day on Virgin Voyages.
You ready?
If I had to make an emoji of how my feelings looking at the boat.
So when you line up for Embarkation, you're given a time in the Virgin Voyages app for you to arrive. And once you arrive, you are grouped by your time and you file in to get your pass. Your wristband is what you use to get into your room, get on and off the ship. It's very important and it can be replaced if you lose it, but I'm not sure if there's a fee for losing it.
Party at 1. Woo! Yeah. Woo! She's starting the party early.
Oh, all right. Welcome to our room that I know nothing about on the Virgin Voyages cruise. Ooh, the bathroom is nice. I mean, of course, on a ship you expect it to be a little bit smaller, so it is small but comfortable. This is our area where we could hang our clothes, put our shoes. That's important because you don't want stuff in the way. So over here we have our safe, a bunch of closet space, life jackets, I think, and a mirror, full-length mirror, okay, and another full-length mirror here. Some water, right? We have a little mini fridge. Is there anything in the mini fridge? No. Darn, that would have been nice. All right, so this is our voyage itinerary. So it lists out what events are happening each day, stuff to do. We've got some towels here, a nice little tray so we could eat breakfast in bed. A very nice bed, I think. It's got to be at least a king size. All right, so now we're going to go around to the other side of the room. And I don't know what this thing is. That's interesting. I guess you got to put a drink there or something. So our balcony, ooh, slides real smooth. So we are not being blocked by a lifeboat. Well, yeah, we didn't get to choose our room. So yeah, we could have been at any position. So sometimes the lifeboats are kind of in the way, but thankfully here they're not. So we've got a nice view that we could always see right out into the ocean, or the Mediterranean Sea in this case. We have a hammock here. Oh boy. Oh, I don't know about this. Okay, all right.
That's not how you get a hammock.
Hold on, there's a better way. It's not gonna rip.
Okay, how you gonna get out now?
It's a little tight. Oh, that's better. Right, bed test. Oh.
That's my side.
That's comfortable. Oh.
Is it hard? Is it soft? What is it?
It's just right. After 2 hours getting here, it's just right.
I don't know if that was a thorough room tour or not, because there's some things we haven't explored, but maybe we'll find some things as we're here for the next 12 days. It is time to watch a safety video because we do have to go to muster. So let's do that.
So our bags just came and we had our room attendant come by and give us the lowdown on a couple things. So we, for one, there's this handy dandy do not disturb and room cleaning sign. So you can turn on your do not disturb, or you can turn on the room cleaning, and then they'll come and clean the room. Now you tap it again and you turn it off. So right now we don't want to urge them to clean the room, so we're not going to do that. And they're coming with one more bag, so we want them to disturb us when the bag comes. The next thing that she let us know is that we have a laundry bag, okay? We can fill this bag up as much as we want, and for $55 or a $20 rush fee, on top of that $55, we can have whatever we can fit into this bag washed by the next day or same day if we pay that extra $20. So that's pretty cool. I don't think that's that bad. No, I mean, when you're on a cruise, of course, there's going to be some sort of charge, and they get it done pretty quick. So, I mean, I would figure if we're desperate, like halfway through, like 6 or 7 days in, we'll be like, okay, now we can do a wash and we could wash a whole bunch of things. But it's not worth it for like every day doing a clothes or every 2 days doing clothes. We have to keep that in mind. Obviously, if you're home, you're going to pay $1.25 to do laundry. So, whatever. Oh, the AC is controlled here. If we have the balcony even unlocked, it will automatically turn off. If the door's open, obviously it's already off too. So we can adjust it by just tapping up and down here, and it'll go cooler or warmer. So that's nice. Ink wants to occupy your space in your heart. $12 in tears. Ask the crew. It's interesting. And then this, screw it, let's do it. $25 and this sextant corkscrew is yours. That's cute. Yeah, there's water.
We've watched the safety video, and now on the tablet thingy, you either say, we got distracted, show us again, or I've watched it. So I watched it. Let's see. So there's entertainment. Sean likes this movie. Room controls. Lights. Ambient. Desk. Room temperature. Okay, all lights. Curtains. Oh, fancy.
Wow.
We're going to open the curtains back up. Check that out. Let's see what else. So we did entertainment. Services. I guess services aren't available yet, and then information. Guess I'll have to show you services later. But that's pretty cool. We have to go to muster right now because we did watch the safety video, and then we have to find Sean's mom because we're pretty sure she doesn't know. This is her first cruise that she has to go to muster, even though they've been announcing it nonstop. I logged into the Wi-Fi. I don't think Sean logged into the Wi-Fi yet, but you have to log. Virgin does have free Wi-Fi, basic Wi-Fi, and it's the only way you can book certain activities is once you're on their Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go do those things. And then I don't know if we're going to come back and unpack or if we're going to get something to eat. Depends if Sean is hungry or not. Okay, let's go. It's a sail away party.
Any Virgin celebration wouldn't be true without celebrating you, all of our loyal sailors. So who's on board with us before? Who's a loyal sailor? Welcome back, thank you. And what about those people who are first time with Virgin? Alright, well, we're in for a good voyage here. Well look, big shout out to all my incredible crew out there. I can tell you, I'm so proud to be a fellow crew member with all the people that work on our ships around the world. So I'm not really thinking of birthdays, so I'm going to pretend, but thank you. That was very kind of you. Am I supposed to take a shot now, too? Well, I don't have one. If someone gives me one, I'll do it. But we'll get all shots, and I'll come back for my shot.
Came back to the room, and what is it? It's a pin. Open doors around the world. I think it's free. I think it's a gift. I don't see a price tag, so I'm gonna say it's a gift. It's a pin. I get to. We're moving. We've unpacked. We've chilled for like 30 minutes. And now we're heading to Razzle Dazzle for our first dinner on the Resilient Lady. I'm excited. I have my red on. I changed my clothes because I was sick of those clothes. nice, y'all. I like the vibes. We're at Razzle Dazzle, which is the vegan forward or vegetable forward restaurant. Maybe we'll try one or two vegan dishes. Sean's mom is more vegan forward than we are, but she's in her room. She's tired and done for the night. So let's see what we get into. Let's see what we order.
So there's a secret menu that apparently includes a burger, and it sounds really good, but I don't want to do it because I don't know. We might come back here eventually, and maybe I'll give it a try.
Change it.
Well, they said they'll do a different special. But yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go with the mahi mahi. It'd be boring.
We got the yellowtail ceviche, sashimi, and the pork belly. I'm gonna try the yellowtail first. I love yellowtail. Ooh. Oh, there's like crispy onion, crispy shallot on it. That's good. Okay, now let me try the pork belly. Let's see. Look at that. That's really good. Which one do I think Sean is going to like more? The pork belly. Because he's not a big fan of raw fish.
Let's start with the tuna tartare.
Yellowfin.
It's good. I don't order tuna tartare, so I still wouldn't. But
I know you're not a fan of raw fish.
but this the pork belly is good. Got some good sauces.
Next.
So this is the blackened mahi mahi.
You're not gonna like that. Spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It's blackened. What do you think?
I know it had seasoning. I mean, it's good still, but it's got lingering spiciness.
As soon as I saw blackened, I knew Sean was gonna regret that decision because he doesn't like spicy food. But I got the lamb shank with, actually don't know what this is on the bottom, but carrots, potatoes, any of the mashed potatoes or some type of au jus, cheese, I don't know. I forgot to look at the menu. That's good. Okay, hold on. Let me just taste the meat. Hot. That's good. You want to taste it? Close. Are you going to be able to eat yours with all that spiciness?
Yeah, I'm not gonna waste food.
It's not mashed potatoes, it's the cheese puree, which is really good. Oh man. Even the carrots is good. I'm not the biggest fan of carrots, but it's good. I will say, the food here is definitely seasoned. Sean's finished. He said it's spicy. I ate all of mine. Like, I literally cleaned the plate.
Listen, spicy food fills you up quicker. It's just the fact of life.
Who told you that lie?
Well, it's true. The capsaicin releases a chemical in your mouth that says, you know what? I'm good.
That's what he has left.
Whatever.
That's what I have left.
We decided not to do dessert.
At Razzle Dazzle.
Yeah, we're gonna do dessert maybe later. Well, yeah, we're gonna say hi to my mom. I don't know if we're gonna film that. Probably not. Oh, and then we're gonna go to the pajama party. So we're changing into pajamas.
It's pajama night, and yes, I'm putting a sweater on because it's cold on this ship. But I've got cat pajamas. Let me show you Sean's. I don't know what he is.
I'm Brian. But
Sure.
Whatever. I'm a different type of cat.
What's so funny? What's so funny?
He looks like a Sean, you got all the cat fur all over you. Let me send her out the picture.
Let's go.
Lick me till I scream. Yes. to, I know, give us a little sweet treat before bed.
Oh, since you asked so nicely, hit it. Let's go, PJ Party.
Come on, man. Oh, I love this song. Come on.
One of my favorites.
For a late night snack. Let's see what they got.
Oh my god, that was fast. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to tune in for next week's video.